Random things that turn girls on. Number 1. Dirty talk. Women love dirty talking because they feel inferior to you. That's the ultimate fantasy of a woman, submitting to her man. Make sure not to do too much of this because the purpose of your relationship is to love each other. Number 2. Spanking. Every girl likes spanking, it's just a matter of how hard. Give her a little spank whenever you can, and she'll be constantly aroused. Number 3. Picking her up. Picking her up and gently throwing her in the bed turns her on. She likes seeing your strength. Once again, she is turned on because you make her submit to you by doing so. Number 4. Playing with her hair. Playing with her hair will give her butterflies, but she'll also be turned on. She considers her hair an intimate part of her body, so touching it makes her feel intimate with you. Uninterested girls won't let you do this. Number 5. Tingling her. Playing with her belly and making her laugh is a little act that turns her on. Her belly is a sensitive zone, meaning she'll be turned on if you touch her gently. Number 6. Pull her hair. If you've been intimate in the past with her, she'll love this one. It gives her a small flashback, and she gets turned on by it. Don't overuse it, because she'll find it annoying. Number 7. Touch her in public. Touching her intimately while in public is arousing for her, because of the risk of getting caught. Don't be crazy about it, just a brush is great.